Cool. So, hi everyone. Uh, I'm Akshay, DevOps engineer, founder of GrowIn Community. Welcome back in our GrowIn Community calls, which are held in twice a month. So, who is there in the call? Utkarsh, Niranjan is there, okay. And who is the new person? Shank is new person. Macmillan is old, I know him. Dev, SW, Coating. Who is this person? Coating and Avno. Okay, you can also open your mic so that I can at least know about you and we can do some introduction session. Then we can start other chats. He's only giving the smile.
Akshay.
Hello. Hey Akshay,
Hello, hello, hello.
I have 5+ years of experience as a iOS developer and approx 8 years of experience in industry. Currently working in a CMS Computer India Private Limited that is based on Delhi. And this is my project is a government organization for ORGI department. Uh, the app is CRS portal, as you know by the name of like if you go for the death and birth registration form, there's a website available, and I make an app for the iOS app. And previously, I work in a PVR cinema and Inox cinema. I make a app from scratch. That's it. Thank you.
Cool, cool. So let's have some drums and some claps also for Avno. Great. So since Avno is joining first time and he has a good experience in iOS, which is the untouched field, I think many of the folks don't know about iOS development. Most of the people just fascinate about cloud, DevOps, open source, and front end, back end, database, etc. But this area is, I think, not known by many of the folks. So, and the good news is that since you are the community people, so I always prefer to tell something special the first time to you also. Like that, I and me, Avno, will do a podcast on this topic also, like iOS developer, and so that you folks can know about the this untouched field. Okay, cool. So apart from Avno, who would like to go for the introduction?
Yeah, I can go, Akshay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so my name is Shank, and I am working in BlueStacks as an IT support and operations lead. I've been in this field for a little more than 5 years now. BlueStacks is actually an Android emulator available in the market, so you can install it on your PCs, on your Macs, and you can run Android applications within it. And my job role is mainly to, after the deployment has been done for the product, to make sure that it is working fine. Any support queries that come in from our users, from our clients, working over that, troubleshooting problems with them, then collaborating with development team to fix issues. So that's majorly what my role is for now.
Cool, cool. So that's great. So I think you are joining the community call first time, right? Thanks.
Yes, this is the first time, right?
Cool, cool. So where are you from?
I'm from Dehradun.
Dehradun. And you are also working there or any other place?
It's work from home, so my
Okay.
office is in Gurgaon, but fortunately, work from home has been going on so far,
Okay.
so I can stay back at home and do my work.
Cool, cool. Lucky person you are. You have remote job. At least you can work from
Right.
anywhere. Because
Right.
most of the time we just keep discussing about that working from home and remote job and all. So every person just have that I just want to do work from home or like remote job in a foreign company or something like that.
Right.
So that's great. And so basically you are at which role in your organization?
Right now, I'm the lead in support team, so I'm leading the team and handling my team who are present here in India, and some people are outside also.
Okay, so team lead means which like front end, back end, DevOps or something like that.
No, it's support and operations, so not from the
Mhm.
dev side.
Okay, and you also mentioned that my work start when the deployment has finished or something like what was that?
Yes. So deployment is done by the DevOps team
Mm-hmm.
internally, and
Yeah.
after that, we are mainly responsible for maintenance, handling any user queries because we have a very large user base all around the
Mm-hmm.
world.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of complaints come in every day. We have to sit down with them, troubleshoot, figure out what is ongoing, run a lot of tests in our labs. And
Mm-hmm.
if we do find anything worthwhile, then we collaborate with development team and try to get it fixed.
Cool, cool, cool. So now I can understand. Like I also working as a DevOps engineer, so my mostly time like doing deployment and monitoring. So now I can relate your work after deployment. So we after deployment we are also keep in touch with like developer if some issues are there in deployment or something like
Mhm.
that. So that kind of things
Right.
happens. Cool, cool. So okay, welcome Shank in the committee since you are also joining first time. So some claps for you
Thank you,
and
Akshay.
glad you are joining. So, okay, cool. Who would like to go next? The introduction part, or if you have did something in your previous 2 weeks, you can also tell or share. Utkarsh, Niranjan, Macmillan, and Dev.
Hey guys, I am Mac Milan. So I have been in the community for a long time, but inactive only due
Okay.
to my work side. So I just want to be active again. So here I am. Basically, I have working with Samsung Electronics. So here I am working as a SD, which is which is the role. But internally, I have worked with full stack like React and Node.js.
Mm-hmm.
So total years of experience I have around 4.3. And past 2 weeks I am right now looking for job. So yeah,
Okay.
I am from South Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. And in which field you are looking job?
It's same like full stack development.
Full stack. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. And since many of the just jobs coming in our way also, so we are just keep sharing related jobs. There is a separate channel where we are
Mm-hmm.
sharing in this committee. Like you can see, you can scroll the left hand side channel. So there would be a job and opportunity channel. Okay, in general.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah. Okay. I have seen that. Okay.
we are just keep sharing the job. So keep an eye on also there. And most of
Sure.
the
Sure.
time I share in this channel and on LinkedIn and Twitter. So if there would be related
Okay.
to, then I will definitely share. Cool.
Yeah. Thanks, Akshay.
Okay, welcome. So before Mac, who was speaking, who was giving the introduction, just joined by Shrikish Jitender sir also. He's so okay. Welcome Jitender, and since I was telling the one person who is joining first time this community, and I would like to invite him to share some insight, and he's a very good person, good friend of mine, and have a good experience in IT in different roles. And so I would like to invite him and for an introduction and something like that. And there is also a great news for collab with Run Label and GrowIn Community. So we will share that also. So hello Jitendra sir, welcome to the committee. Would you like to introduce
So
yourself?
good evening, everyone. I was following this growing community. So the community is very good in taking very good initiatives um, to go in the right path to achieve your goals and career programs. So it's very interesting. Good luck, everyone. And we are from Run Level, like this community, where we are empowering advanced technologies, and we are
Oh, okay. Sorry to interrupt. I think the voice is little low from your side.
okay. Is
Yeah,
this all
it's
good?
it's fine now. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are from Run Level. Run Level is a resource community, and we are empowering advanced technologies and AI, generative generation of technologies. We are happy to sponsor and a website building competition. Good luck, everyone.
Okay, thank you so much. So we have the first sponsor of the Growing Community website, which is going on currently, and it's a great things. So we are very happy to have a sponsor from Run Label, and Jitendra is joining from the Hyderabad for the first time from the Run Label behalf. And lot of amazing things are also coming. So I am also making a video on that that's sponsored and introduction on Run Label. So it's a great company which is about to come. Maybe the website would be ready maybe next month, so you all can visit there also. So many amazing things will be there. I will announce later that that is a secret part. Just want to give a short things like so you people can know about that. Cool. So we excited. Be ready for the next adventure in the next month. Okay. And cool. Anyone left with the introduction part?
Brijesh is also joined.
Okay, cool. And now I would like to invite Brajesh ji once again. So, welcome Brajesh ji, and would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. So, hello everyone, good evening, and thanks for inviting us and giving us opportunity to collaborate with the growing community. And we are very excited with the you to just have a communication and work with you guys. So we are hoping with the best result. And we also support you guys in every manner where you want us. We support you guys with our experience level and with the IT sector, what's going on, what is the new opportunities, and what's are the new coming technologies in this. So we are not here only for the website building and competition at all. So we will looking for the long partnership and long terms and relations. So we are very excited and happy to have you guys, and we hope the best result and best of luck for everyone. You guys are really doing a good job and great job. So best of luck to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we are also glad to have partner with Run Label. So a lot of things would be there. I'm totally 100% sure. I'm super excited for that. That on the first many amazing things will be come together. Cool. So since some of the people know that Run Label is sponsoring the winner swag cash prize, so that date has been extended from 20th March to 31st March, and the winner will be selected on some criteria which are listed on the GitHub repo. Okay, cool. So now the we will discuss rest part of the committee call about the ongoing journey, and if you want to ask any question related to the ongoing journey or anything mentorship or something like that, so we will go with that. I think most of the people have just introduced themselves. So cool. So let me start from my side, that what I have done in last 2 week, and then other people can also share. So in last 2 week, I have joined a meetup in Delhi from Deptron, and that meetup was from Kubernetes and other related stuff like DevOps and cloud. So it was great experience to networking with the other people and those company also. And apart from that, from my office things, I am working on some deployment side. So also doing some R&D, and side by side also uh, doing monitoring things, monitoring stuff like Javix is a tool which you may know if you are from DevOps side. So currently I am configuring Javix on my local for the personal project. And apart from that, I am also learning Azure Logic app, which I shared today in the morning on the LinkedIn that like how it is also related to DevOps, like it make the automation fast for the DevOps culture. And so for that also, I will share some of the blog on LinkedIn about Azure Logic app and how it is related to how it is good for the DevOps methodology. Okay, so cool. It was from my side, like ongoing journey. If anyone other want to share, you're welcome. Or if you to the ongoing journey or something like mentorship related, please feel free to ask. Utkarsh, Niranjan, and Mac, Abhinav, or you want to share anything related to your ongoing things, ongoing learnings, or job experience, that also you can do that.
Yeah. So let me share my last 2 weeks learning journey. So I started preparing for a AWS certification. So the best thing that I did was via Udemy course. I'm just not focusing on AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. So my last 2 weeks was based on that, and I had started that and learned couple of things. So it's going on. That was my last 2 weeks learning experience.
Cool, cool. So, like, which certificate you are currently just exploring?
I'm focusing on AWS Cloud Practitioner, so I thought that that would be the best thing to start with.
Mm-hmm. Right,
Yeah,
right, right,
so went on with the Udemy course so that others start, no, stepping stone.
right, right. Okay, that's great. That is, and do one thing more. Like, do one more thing that you can also, if you are learning
Mhm.
AWS Practitioner, just go on the its website, AWS
Mhm.
website, and you can
Okay.
explore the learn section there because they also mentioned a lot of stuff
Mhm.
of the related cloud practitioner exam on its website. Okay, and you can explore that
Mhm.
also. And apart from that, I
Okay.
would
Okay. Good.
I would suggest that after exploring those cloud stuff, just try to make some project, one or two project, two or three project, okay, in which you are using the AWS services. Like
Yeah.
Piyush Sachdeva have a like n number of project series on the YouTube. Okay, that is related to the AWS. So you can just do that also after completing this hosting a static website
Mhm.
on AWS, right? So these kind of stuffs are there. So just try to do
Mhm.
two, three projects along with your learning journey. So it will give you a great hands-on practice and which is actually
Mhm.
required for the interview purpose, right?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
So
So apart from this, I do have a question to Shanks, I guess. So I guess
yeah, sure.
I pronounced it right.
Yeah, you can ask.
Hello, Shanks, Niranjan here. So basically, I just know heard out your experience and the kind of a job role you're doing, which pretty much match the day-to-day role that I do, I perform. So basically, as a support analyst, what kind of tools you use, and what is your day-to-day job role? Uh, I just wanted to hear out and a little bit curious how the support works
Mhm.
outside the organization, my organization.
Uh, so the core support work that I do,
Hmm?
to be honest, there are not really any dedicated tools that we are using. So to handle our
Mhm.
users and clients' tickets, we use Zendesk, where everything is logged.
Yeah.
We receive all our tickets over there, and everything is managed from Zendesk itself. Um, so
Mhm.
Zendesk in itself is quite, a vast tool. They have provided so many features. There are so many things that you can automate. So we are using a lot of automation within Zendesk itself to reduce our workload. But most of my daily work is done from there. Um, Besides that, there are certain other tools also that we use internally, but they are not really used that heavily as Zendesk. So there are a couple of more
Mhm.
automations that we have done just to reduce our workload. We are using Jenkins to extract data from Zendesk itself because Zendesk data extraction is really very bad. I mean, they charge you a lot of money. So, for example, let's say that a user reported some issue, and I have a feeling that I have seen this issue getting reported from a lot of other users also. And I would just want to pull out the
Mhm.
data and analyze, go through it, what exactly is happening, take a look at their log files, understand things. So it is difficult
Mhm.
to pull out that data from Zendesk. So we are using Jenkins for that. Zendesk has an API available with the help of which you can pull out data if you can write your own scripts. So this actually has been done not by us, but from one of our other internal teams. So we have a Python script running in the background. It pulls out the data from Zendesk, and we can just schedule the jobs from Jenkins. The script will be triggered, data will be pulled out, and then we can use Excel or Google Sheets to go through the data and check what is happening. So that is there.
Okay.
Um, yeah, besides that, I can't really think of any other major tool. We use AWS also, but as a support person, my access to AWS is very, very limited. It's for very specific use cases that AWS comes into picture, and majorly what we do is just upload some files to S3 buckets, and that is it. So I
Okay.
think besides
Okay.
this, I can't think of any specific tools right now.
Okay, okay, yeah, pretty much similar to my job role as well. So pretty much we get all the user tickets via Zendesk, and we analyze that,
Mhm.
what is we debug the cases, and we
Right.
reply back to the clients. So the one difference thing is we support plugins, e-commerce plugins. So that's it.
Mhm.
Yeah, pretty
Okay.
much.
Okay.
Yeah. And thanks for sharing, Shashank.
No problem.
Okay, that's great. This is the good way to communicate in the community, like to sharing and to asking the questions and sharing your knowledge. Cool. So, yep. Anyone else want to join or want to share something? Kalyan just joined after a long time. Hi, Kalyan, how are you?
Hey Akshay, hello team. How are you? I hope you are all doing good. So after a long time, I'm joining here. Um, so currently, I'm working in the Connex. So as a network automation engineer, so I'm working on the SD-WAN side. And so if you have any questions and if you have any related questions on SD-WAN, then definitely I hope help you and include Python. So yeah, this is my about self, and thank you for give this opportunity because by this opportunity only I got this job under the guidance of Akshay, and I greatly say thank you, Akshay bro. So yeah, thank you team.
That's awesome. That's awesome, Kalyan. And I know like it's your work hard. Like we know the potential of committee and we are just keep doing this kind of stuff. And I know many of the feedback I get from you, like folks, that because of this kind of committee call, because of experience, we are learning from each other in the committee. It's helping in their job. It is helping in their interview. So this is the great, like, which that's why I just keep doing this kind of stuff. Because and in industry, if you will see, like, most of the people, 90% people are just busy in their doing their job, like tech stuff, like doing the office job and not sharing on their like other things. So I just came up with this idea that in the community, at least we are doing stuff and we are also keep helping of the other people. Like if you are new, if you are just looking forward for the jobs, and either if you are working for jobs, then you can also just sharing, you can help each other. Like so, yeah, Kalyan.
Completely, I agree. Bro. Because previously I was not speaking speak very well because after joining in the community as well, then I am only I lost my fear definitely because I make a one habit to participate any one community and need to open the mic and speak something like whatever you have that you whatever that you have in your mind that you can speak confidently. So now I got it through the growing community. Well, I definitely say that, and yeah,
Yeah, that's awesome. So, I think your feedback would be also on the Green Committee website. So I would be very happy to see you there, like your feedback in the website. Cool. So this is the best way, like to keep sharing the things, and just if you have hesitation kind of thing, just this is the best platform to, you know, remove that fear by communicating with you. Like all the people are like similar to each other and like-minded people. Nobody is there to, uh, pulling your leg. Okay, cool. So, yeah, anyone else want to share something or want to ask? We have some couple of minutes more.
Yeah, Akshay. So, I think as my discussion with Niranjan, even I've been working in support for quite some time. Uh, I have been trying to move into DevOps. I've been trying to learn the different tools that are generally required if you want to get into the DevOps field. Uh, but there is one confusion that has always plagued me because of a lot of things that I've seen online where people say that you need to have certain type of tech background if you want to get into the DevOps field. Uh, I don't know, my question might come off as silly, but maybe you or other experienced people can help me. Is it possible for someone who is coming from the support field to transition into DevOps? How difficult is it, and how should we prepare ourselves, if we want to move into this new domain completely?
Sure, sure, sure. So that's great question, thanks. So first of all, it's totally possible to shift into DevOps. There is no any blockage that you cannot do. Totally, and 100% and 200% possible. Because I know many of the people just switching their job. Just it's not about switching the job. I would say, as the gurus keep sharing, that you are just upskilling yourself. Okay, so that's totally true. You can because I know many of the things you are also doing in DevOps practice you are utilizing in your current role as a support. So that's totally possible to do to shift in have to knowledge about the operating system that is Linux. So most of the time we just do uh, things in operating system that is Linux, and other things networking part you have to learn, and later you can learn any cloud service like Azure or AWS or GCP, anyone. And these are the basic fundamentals, like one operating system that is Linux, and networking part, and any cloud service. So these are the fundamentals, and apart from that, then you can go for the like deployment things that CI/CD pipeline, Jenkins tool, and like for container, you can do hands-on with Docker. So these like 4 5 things are basics, which may take around 2 to 4 months according to your time, whatever you are giving. So so if you will do, and again after doing these basics, you have to do just a little bit project. You have to make your dirty hands with doing the project. So at least 3 to 5 project you will do. Again, I'm telling the resources that Piyush Sachdeva YouTube channel. He have just shared a wonderful project related to for the starting if you want to start in the cloud or DevOps. There is a repository which is made by me in I will also share that I have mentioned all the little stuff like if you want to switch or if you want to start a DevOps, then what need to be done in starting. Okay, so totally possible because if you know about me, many of the people just know about me that I am from mechanical engineering background. I have no background of tech also like this IT sector. Okay, but after learning from YouTube and just connecting from the people, just learning from the Twitter spaces, learning from the like meetup conferences, and I just also learn a lot of things.
Thanks so much, Akshay. Yes, even I have been focusing my energy right now to learn Linux and AWS. I'm trying to learn as much as possible about these two platforms because wherever you see, these two are fundamental technologies that every person should be aware of. So hopefully, yeah, I know it will take time, but I'll get through it. But thanks again, Akshay. Thank you so much for
Okay,
sharing this.
welcome. And I would like
Yeah,
to
Brijesh,
say Jitendra sir, yeah, I want to your opinion also.
Brijesh, you were saying something.
Yeah, that I want to add one thing only that here. Yeah, anyone can move into the DevOps field. That is not a difficult thing. That only thing that we need to choose the thing properly. Means as Akshay said, we need to choose one operating system that is Linux. After that, we have to change. We have to just choose one cloud technology. Suppose you can choose the Azure, you can choose the AWS, or you can choose the Google. But the best option that from my side that you can learn the AWS, that is not a problem. That is same. But from my side, as I am in the industry and I know that what is the market trend and how many customers are moving to the AWS and how many customers are moving to the Azure. So as per my opinion, you can take Azure plus Terraform. That two things you can add. Otherwise, and apart of that, you can choose the Linux, and after that, you can choose the Azure and Terraform. Terraform will be IAC, infrastructure as a code. Then one monitoring tool you can add there, like Prometheus or Grafana. Any one of them you can choose, and plus one version control tool like Git. You can have the Git. Then it will complete your DevOps profile.
Got it. Got it. Thank you so much, Prajesh.
Good.
Okay, cool. Great insight. Thank you so much from Brajesh and Jitendra for sharing your experience and having insights. Anyone else want to ask any questions? Melvin just joined. So hi, Melvin. Hope you are doing well. Would you like to introduce yourself or want to share something?
Good. I just wanted to know what the topic is.
Actually, topic is just an introduction part and sharing the learnings, which is part of our daily thing. Like we are hosting this kind of community call twice a month, and so in this community call, we are just keep sharing our experience, which is going on, any challenges which we face, or any other learning things which we are doing side by side. So that's what. And any questions, if any folks have, they can also share or ask to the other people.
Okay, okay. I have introduced myself already. So I have 8 years in IT ops and DevOps. So right now I have shifted over to digital marketing, and DevOps is now like a hobby or a freelance gig for me.
Okay, cool, cool. That's
That's
great.
it.
Like, I know Melvin from since a long time when we were in the previous job. So currently you are shifting in the market, which digital role, right?
Digital marketing. I tried a
Okay.
lot for DevOps job, but I'm not ready to resettle to another city now since I have family and kids and all.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like a compromise. I learned digital marketing and I went for that field. So
Okay.
now
Okay.
I'm working in digital marketing. I've been working for around 1 month and it's going fine.
Okay. Cool. Cool. So would you like to share any something related to like that your job profile, like digital marketing, and if anyone want to know that what is it is all about? Like we know the marketing things, like any service and product related marketing, but what is you do like kind of that.
Okay, so in digital marketing, we have keyword research, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, and other small topics like marketing automation. Yes, there is automation in this as well. Okay, so search engine optimization and search engine marketing are what I do mainly.
Mm-hmm.
So to
Great.
bring your site to the top in Google and to get leads.
Okay.
So search engine marketing is for getting leads as fast as possible and improve your sales and the number of customers you have, all that. And then we also do Google My Business. Google My Business is a trending topic now. That is what you search when you go on maps, and when you search for a local business, you get a map listing, right? So that
Mm-hmm.
also has to be optimized. So right now, when you optimize Google My Business, you get the most traffic in Google because that is displayed at the top. So when you go for local businesses mainly.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on the type of search and the search intent behind what you search. But right now, this is trending. So if you have good keywords in the title and description of Google My Business, and if you have good reviews and all, yeah, people go for you like that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's
So
great. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
this is what I'm doing now.
that's great. That's great. That's
I just have a question. Why digital marketing after 8 years of experience in DevOps? What made you to go for digital marketing? Because you had already pretty much 8 years of experience in the DevOps. I was just little curious.
No, I don't have 8 years in DevOps. I have 8 years in Linux system administration, then network administration, normal system administration, and then DevOps. So I came from the IT ops background, not the developer background. So I'm finding the increasing amount of coding in DevOps very hard. So I shifted over, like especially IAC. IAC was very hard for me, and I learned like Terraform twice and all. I'm still not getting it. So those who don't get coding, better go for something what we get. That's why I left. Don't get demotivated
Okay.
or anything. This is my journey. You go ahead.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, got it, got it.
Yeah. And I am almost 40 now. So you are mostly freshers, right?
Okay.
You can do it. That's it.
Cool.
That's the main reason.
Cool, cool. So as we know that different people have different choice, so it's not all about like to take
Okay, thanks.
as Melvin mentioned that not. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so the competition last day deadline is 31st of March. Like today is 23, so still we have 7 8 days. And good question. What is the price? So price is before, like in the starting we have keep the price like t-shirt and socks like that, but after we have got sponsored from the run level, and Jitender and Brijesh is here, so they are sponsoring the swag, so are like 5,000 up to 5,000 cash prize would be there for the winners. Okay, so it's still a great time if you want to just do participation and all. Like we all know that if you have a knowledge you can build a website in 1 week also, so if you want to, you're welcome. Cool. So I think the time is running at the end of the session. So it was a great chat and discussion with you all. Thank you so much for joining and sharing your journey. And especially thanks to Jitender and Brijesh sir for giving the time and sponsoring the website building competition winner. And hoping for the many other collaboration for the future. And we will do some great things with the time. So thank you so much.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you so much. Good luck and best of luck, everyone. Have a great evening.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Just keep doing good stuff, keep learning, keep sharing whatever you are learning. Just try to share on LinkedIn so that your personal brand can be there. It's all about that, so that other people can also know about you that you are doing. And as Kalyan mentioned that he got job and the community calls help him a lot. So just keep doing like that stuff, like to take participation and do something, build project and give the demo of project here also. Like this is a platform to showcase the skills, right? So hope the committee call is going well, and thank you everyone once again. So we'll meet in the next committee call. And also we have just started our GrowIn Community YouTube channel. So we are just keep sharing the good stuff there also. And recently just shared AWS Community Builder podcast with Pravesh. So you can also watch that if you have not even watched. And next podcast with Mr. Avinav Shoni, who is here, and that will be related to iOS developer. And one more podcast will be there on Docker Captain, then other things on the need. So if you also have any suggestions for the YouTube video, you can also give in the community. Okay, we will make a video of that also. Cool. So thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.